Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. First thing I would like to say is that I got a ring light, so I'm excited about it. But also if the lighting is messed up, that is why, because I'm not completely aware of how to function it yet. But yeah, we're working on it. Anyways, so this video is going to be a what's on my iPhone plus how to make your phone aesthetically pleasing. This is my phone. This is the iPhone 11 in purple, and basically iOS 14 just came out, so I spent a ton of time organizing my phone and making it look like a pastel aesthetic. So I'm going to be showing you my phone as well as how to do that for yourself. So if you'd like to find out how to organize your phone and make it look aesthetic, then keep watching. And also don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe down below. Let's get into the video. This is my lock screen. It's a picture of me and my boyfriend. And this is my home screen wallpaper. At the bottom, I have my phone app, then I have my messages, and then I have Spotify. And on the top of my screen, I have a widget that I will show you later how to make. And it just has the date and the day on it. And then I have camera, photos, app store, weather, maps, Chrome, because my Safari doesn't work for some reason. Then I have notes, and then I have reminders, and then contacts, FaceTime, minimalist, which is a really nice, organized, simple to-do list kind of app, and then settings. And on this page, I have my most used apps. So on the top, I have my Clue app, which is a period tracker. Then I have GoodRx to get prescriptions. Then I have Skillshare, which is this really cool app that you can find different lessons to learn about a ton of different things, and there are videos and mentors and stuff like that. Then I have the Health app. And then I have a widget that has my favorite quote. And then under that, I have a transformation picture beside all of my workout apps. I have 2 workout guide apps, and then I have LifeSum, which is a calorie tracker, so I can get in my calories for the day as well as track my protein intake. And then I have Unit, which I have made a lot of different workouts and put in. It's a really cool app, and you can organize a ton of lists in it. Under that, I have YouTube Studio, and then I have Pinterest, which this is annoying about the shortcuts is it takes you to that app first, but if you can get over that, then yeah. Here's my Pinterest. If you want to follow it, you can. I saved a ton of different icons that I used as my home screen icons in this folder if you want to find some, if you like the ones I have. Then I have VSCO, which here's my VSCO. My username is just Linsbert if you want to follow me on here. The next app I have is Mercari, which is a clothes selling or basically anything selling app. I've sold a lot of clothes on here, and now I'm selling some cases and clothes still. So if you want to go check out mine, it's just Lindsay Burt. I'll link it down below. And then I have Curtsy, which is basically the same idea, mostly just clothes. I've made a ton of money on here as well, and I'm selling basically the same clothes as Mercari, just a few different things on here as well. And then I have my school apps. This page is just folders of all my apps that were on my other screens that I have organized here. And then now I'm going to show you how to make the shortcuts. So I gotta just go to the shortcuts app and then go to the plus sign in the top right, add a new shortcut, and you're gonna go to scripting, open app, and then you're gonna choose an app. I'm gonna just choose Chick-fil-A. Then you're gonna go to next and you're gonna name it. Doesn't really matter what this name is. And then you're gonna go back to it and then press the ... add to home screen. You're gonna choose a photo that you want as the photo on your home screen. I'm just going to choose these avocados, and you're going to name it, and then that's what's going to show up. And there it is. And now I'm going to show you how to make the widget that says Sunday on the top. So you're going to go to the App Store and get Widgetsmith. This is what it looks like. You can add different ones. There's tons of different options, fonts, text color, as well as background color. And then there is also different sizes. So you can do small, do medium, and large. So then you're just gonna go to your home screen. Then you click the plus sign, and you can either type in Widgetsmith or just edit from the bottom and choose whatever widget you want. I'll put a large one on there, and that's what it looks like. Just enjoy it and be creative, and you can make your home screen look really cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment down below what kind of videos you'd like to see from me. I am going to be posting more on here, so just let me know what kind of videos you want to see. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow my Insta, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!